For thousands of years, people have lived on the land of Qatar. In the early days, life was simple, and people survived by fishing, hunting, and trading. Because the sea surrounds Qatar on three sides, it has always played an important role in daily life. Before oil was discovered, the economy depended mainly on pearl diving. Qatari pearls were famous all over the world, but the industry declined in the early 20th century when artificial pearls were invented.
In the 1800s, the Al Thani family became the rulers of the land. They brought the tribes together and created political stability. Although Qatar became a British protectorate in 1916, it eventually gained full independence on September 3, 1971. The biggest change for the nation happened in the 1940s when oil was discovered, followed by natural gas later on. These resources completely changed the country's future and turned it into a modern and wealthy state.
The landscape of Qatar is mostly a flat, dry desert made of sand. You will not find large rivers or mountains there. In the southern areas, there are beautiful sand dunes at Khor al-Adid, where the desert meets the sea in a rare natural formation. With over 560 kilometers of coastline, the sea remains very important for nature and trade. In the north, areas like the Al Fakira mangroves support birds and marine life. The weather is very hot in the summer and mild in the winter, so the plants are adapted to dry conditions. Qatari culture is deeply rooted in Arab traditions and Islamic values. Religion plays a major role in daily life and social behavior. Family is the foundation of society, and people show great respect to their parents and elders. Hospitality is a key part of the culture. Guests are always welcomed warmly with Arabic coffee and dates. Traditional clothing remains an important symbol of identity. Men commonly wear the white thobe and gutra, while women wear the black abaya and shayla. Today, because many people from other countries live there, Qatar is a multicultural and respectful community. Markets are important social and commercial centers in the country. Traditional markets, known as souks, reflect Qatar's heritage. The most famous one is Souk Waqif, where people buy spices, perfumes, and handicrafts. While these old markets are popular, modern shopping malls, like the Mall of Qatar, are also central to daily life. These malls represent the country's modern economic growth and offer international brands and entertainment. Food in Qatar reflects both tradition and international influence. Traditional dishes are rich in spices and often include rice, meat, and seafood. The national dish is called machbous, which is rice cooked with meat or fish. During the holy month of Ramadan, dishes like haris and tarid are very popular. Because of the multicultural population, restaurants in Doha now serve food from all around the world. Art in Qatar combines Islamic tradition with modern creativity. The Museum of Islamic Art and the National Museum of Qatar tell the story of the country's development from desert life to a modern state. The government, led by the Emir, Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, focuses on stability, education, and growth. Under the Qatar National Vision 2030, the country is building skyscrapers, luxury areas like the Pearl Qatar, and big projects like Education City to create a bright future for everyone.